have the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. I can't believe, yeah, everyone says this, but I can't believe another year has gone and we're still wearing masks. Anyways, okay, so before I get started, I wanted to show you guys, because I get this question all the time. This is what I get when I get my PR box, because this is sent for review purpose. I get the Glam Bag Plus bag, which is super cute this month, empty. You see, there's no products in here. And then the Glam bag usually has a few products in here. I have no way of telling which items come in what. I wish that they sent me a card or literally put the products inside of which one goes inside what, because a lot of you guys get confused and ask me, oh, that shouldn't have been in there, or this should have been in here, or you know, vice versa. I have no control over the way they send their PR boxes. I just kind of share with you guys what could come based on the stuff that's inside the little one and the fact that the rest of the items are outside. Basically, that's how I just kind of go on a whim. But this month is time to shine, and the bags are so cute, just adorable for Christmas. Very, very beautiful. I love the shimmer to them. And the Glam bag has 1, 2, 3, 4 items in here. It has, I'm not sure if these are full size or not. And like I said previously, this is the way it comes, and I am just assuming that these are the ones that come in the Glam bag. The first thing in here is the Dragon Beauty liquid eyeliner. This is Nikita Dragon's line, and this is in the shade Blackout. I've only tried a few of her products. I really like the loose powder from her line. I think it was like a corrector, and I really didn't care for it. This is the kind of eyeliner that I really enjoy. It has the bristles and is more of a liquid formula and not a felt tip pen. And yeah, it's kind of my cup of tea. I'm really excited to try it. The next thing in here is in a little bubble wrap, and this is the Orisa Beauty Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow. And let's go ahead and open this. And this is what it looks like. It's a cute little quad, 2 shimmers, 2 mattes, very, very beautiful. I think I'm gonna give this to a coworker because these are shades that I already own, and it seems like a really nice brand. Next thing in here is the Seraphine Botanicals Cranberry Dewy Lip Remedy. This is basically a lip balm for anyone who has more chapped or dry lips. I have so many of these right now open in my collection, so I will not be keeping this. It doesn't have a smell to it. It just looks like a clear, maybe it has a little bit of an undertone to it, but I feel like this would be really nice for somebody who is suffering through dry lips during the winter. It's a jelly texture and supposed to be super hydration without the stickiness. And then the last thing in here is a tiny Surfer Curl by Tarte. I really, really love this formula of this mascara. Really nice formula. I think, do I have one open of the full size? No, I actually used one up of this same brand, but the full size of this, and I really, really enjoyed it. Those are the 4 products that came in the Glam bag. And like I said, I'm not sure if there's something missing from here, but that's what came locked away in here in my PR box. Next up is the Glam Bag Plus, and this bag is so freaking beautiful. Even to like give someone a Christmas gift, is that not just so pretty with all the little gold stars on there? And then the first thing that I see in here is the Creme Shop. It says, baby, it's cold outside. That's so cute. And it says these are sheet masks, and then it has 2 of them in here. It has "'Tis the Season to Be Lovely," and then "Baby, it's cold outside." I love sheet masks. They're just my go-tos, especially because I have a little one and I just feel like they save me so much time. Love. Next thing in here is the Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. I have so many freaking eye creams, it's not even funny. Elemis is a really great brand, very high-end brand. Their stuff, I've seen it at spas and all kinds of dermatology offices. It seems to be really up there. Even on my cruise, I saw Elemis in the spa area and was like, oh damn. And I just love receiving products from them. I've really enjoyed the skincare that I do have from them. Next thing in here, this is a little small one, so I'm not sure if this was supposed to be in the little small glam bag, but this is the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kiss. This is perfect to actually just put into your purse and always be hydrating your hands. Next thing in here is the, what are these? Oh, these are big brushes. Wow. This is the Bell and Argent brushes. I freaking love the Bell and Argent shadows. Their stuff is just so superb and so good. They actually come with, what are these called? The brush guards. Oh, this is so nice. This is just seems like so perfect for setting underneath the eye. Oh my God, and the quality of this is just so, oh. Bell and Argent, every product is very pricey, but everything that has come in Ipsy has really impressed me. This one just seems like to be two like kind of highlight candlestick looking brushes, just one slightly smaller than the other, so you could actually use this one more for the face and then this one for like highlighting. These are multi-purpose brushes. I've seen people use these for contouring. You could probably like set your powder with this. There's just multiple, like a crap ton of different uses for those, even blush, contouring, like the whole 9 yards. But really nice. And it says, oh, they actually have names on them. So the big one says the leading lady powder bronze and buff brush, and then the small one is the spotlight blush and highlight brush. So basically more or less what I told you guys, but I don't know if I would use this for bronzer. I think I would use it more for setting powder just because the way it lays against the skin. But ooh, I'm so happy those came in there. Next thing in here is the glass primer from Royal Dial. This is the primer for a flawless glow. This makes me so excited. I love Royal Dial products, but I've never literally invested in them. I'm so excited to get them in subscription boxes because I do really love their products, but they're very pricey, just extremely expensive. Let's go ahead and swatch. This kind of reminds me of, what is that product from MAC? They have a lotion that's very popular and it gives this glow to the skin. It's kind of like that golden undertone to the skin. I don't know if you guys can, I don't know. I don't think the camera is gonna pick it up, but very beautiful. And MAC has a cream that's very similar. Hopefully you guys can see the undertone on there. So it's like a gold shimmer undertone. And I live for this kind of cream on the skin. I literally use one every day. People are always asking me like, oh, how do you get your face to look more glowy? I love mixing these kinds of primers, just putting it previously to putting on my foundation or mixing it in with my foundations. I live for a good glow, and yeah, and as you can see there, this is definitely it. So, oh yes, excited, but Royal Dial is expensive. I'm just putting it out there. Last thing in here is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This is an exfoliate glow moisturizer, and it has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to improve pores, texture, hydrating, and soothing your skin. So it kind of does both in one and give your skin a refreshed look. I've heard just so many marvelous things about Kate Somerville. The products that I've tried from her, I've really enjoyed. It is a higher end brand, but her skincare is one of the top skincares out there. And yeah, so that's what it looks like right there. I want to say that I've gotten one of these previously. I have to definitely check my my skincare collection, but it has a nice like cucumber smell to it. and I will definitely be trying this. It says that it does contain alpha hydroxy acid, so you definitely need to wear sunscreen and extra protect your skin, because this might be like taking off some of the layers, so you might be prone to sunburn. And that is everything that came in both of the bags. Like I said at the beginning, I never know like if I'm saying these accurately. It's really not my fault, but I feel like a lot of people are just like upset at me when I'm like say something and then it ends up being in their glam bag or vice versa. I have no control over their PR boxes. So hopefully one day they will actually send everything where it's supposed to go. But for now, you know, we're just going with the flow. Let me know what product you're most excited for. I definitely have to say this is like a winner this month. I really enjoyed both bags. I have a great variety of good skincare, great brands, Rodial, Kate Somerville. I feel like every brand in here is a brand that I recognize and enjoy, except for the only one that I didn't recognize is this brand, the Oriza Beauty. But other than that, I feel like I recognize every single brand in here and am excited about the products. Let me know what your choices were, what you want to see in your bags. I'd love to hear from you down below. You could subscribe if you want to see more unbaggings, unboxings, beauty videos. I do all kinds of beauty content here. And I also have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.